Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blue cheese salad dressing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite blue cheese, half a cup of good quality mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Also, have a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder on hand. These items form the foundation of a truly delicious dressing. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your half cup of mayonnaise with the 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Whisk these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well combined. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, velvety texture that makes blue cheese dressing so delightful and appealing. Next, it's time to infuse our dressing with its signature flavor. Gently fold in the 4 ounces of crumbled blue cheese. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything until just combined, being careful not to overmix the cheese. Finally, let's perfect our dressing. Season it to taste with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, blue cheese is naturally salty, so taste before adding too much. For the best flavor, cover and refrigerate your dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your amazing homemade blue cheese dressing over your favorite salads and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.